Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System-Based Labs. Welcome back. In the previous video, we addressed the fundamental question. Will AI replace humans? And we established a clear answer. AI does not replace humans. It amplifies them. Now, in this video, we go one level deeper. We will understand the role of humans in two major categories of AI, predictive AI and generative AI, because this is where most confusion begins. Let us start with predictive AI. Predictive AI is designed to answer one question: what is likely to happen? It analyzes historical data, finds patterns, and produces predictions. But here is the critical point: prediction is not decision. AI can predict outcomes, but it cannot decide what should be done. That responsibility belongs to humans. Humans define what problem to solve, what data to use, what features matter, and how to interpret the prediction. Without human judgment, a prediction is just a number. It has no meaning. So in predictive AI, AI predicts, humans decide. Now let us move to generative AI. Generative AI is designed to create text, images, code, audio. It produces outputs based on patterns it has learned. But here is where people misunderstand its power. Generation is not understanding. AI can generate content, but it does not truly understand intent. That is where humans come in. Humans define the context, the objective, the constraints, the desired outcome. A poorly defined prompt produces a poor result. A well-defined intent produces a powerful outcome. So in generative AI, AI generates. Humans guide. Now let us bring both together. Predictive AI is about decision support. Generative AI is about content creation. But in both cases, the human role is central. Let me simplify this. Predictive AI answers what will happen. Generative AI answers what can be created. But only humans can answer. What should we do? This is the shift from output to outcome, from data to decision, from generation to intent. Let me give you a practical insight. As AI becomes more powerful, the value of humans does not decrease, it increases, because the system becomes more dependent on correct problem definition, clear context, accurate interpretation, responsible decision making. So the future is not about replacing humans. It is about redefining human responsibility. Humans move from execution to direction, from doing to deciding, from reacting to deciding. Machine learning frameworks and statistical modeling tools, things like Python, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, these help you train models and generate predictions. In generative AI, the stack looks different. You work with large language models, prompting frameworks, an AI platform. Things like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, LangChain, these systems help you generate content, automate workflows, and build intelligent interfaces. But remember this, tools will evolve, frameworks will change. What will not change is the role of the human, defining the problem, providing context, making decisions. Let me leave you with this. AI can generate content. AI can predict outcomes. But only humans can define meaning. And meaning is what drives real impact. We will see you in the next video. Video 3. From coders to system designers, where we explore how the role of engineers is evolving from writing code to designing intelligent systems. This is Shankar from System-Based Labs. See you in the next video. Good luck and goodbye.